Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying essentials so the mic will behave predictably. First, make sure your AirPods Pro firmware and your device OS are up to date, because firmware fixes mic stability. Once done, open the case near your device and pair if needed. Pairing ensures automatic microphone switching. Then go to Bluetooth settings, tap the eye next to your AirPods, and confirm microphone is set to automatic or left/right as you prefer. This determines which bud will capture sound. Next, configure and validate mic behavior so calls and recordings sound clear. Choose automatic for seamless switching, or force left or right if you prefer one earbud to handle audio. This helps if one bud has damage. Then open voice memos or call a friend and speak at normal distance to check levels. Make sure to toggle noise control modes. Transparency can boost ambient pickup, while noise cancellation reduces background noise, so you understand how each mode changes mic sensitivity. Finally, optimize daily use and know the primary fix if problems arise. Clean the mic mesh carefully with a soft, dry brush to remove debris, because buildup causes muffled sound. If cleaning doesn't help, forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings, reset them in the case by holding the button until the LED flashes, then repair. This resolves most software and routing issues. If one side still underperforms, set microphone to left or right and record each bud to isolate a hardware fault. Contact support if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.